So magandang umaga po mga ka-excellence and kasalto. For today, we are back with another episode of our Selective Instinct. So this time, I'm going to show you one of our brood pen consisting of a golden monkey sweater brood stag and Blackwater Gilmore hatch. So this is an experimental breeding we have in hope to produce half sweater, half Gilmore hatch product. So this is a half and half brood pen, and yung brood cock po ay again golden monkey, and sana po makaproduce ng magandang stags and pullets out of this brood pen. This is actually an experimental cross. We're doing it for the first time, and we hope to produce good ones also, kasi ngayon lang po namin gagawin tong Ginbatia golden monkeys over the Blackwater hatch, Gilmore hatch. So we are expecting to produce darker versions of the sweater Gilmores, no? Kasi ito pong sa experience po namin, this type of Gilmores, the Blackwaters, they are the darker ones. Medyo dark po sila compared to the red game farm Gilmores. So ito pong brood stag is again Ginbatia golden monkey sweater. Nakuha po namin ang ganitong bloodline kay Gin way back 2016, and we have continuously breed them through line breeding. Kumukuha po kami kay Gin to refresh, but then again, this one is a locally produced golden monkey sweater. So palahi po namin to, at maliit lang po ito, not really big, not really high station, but medium lang. We really like the way they mature, no? Habang bumubulang, gumaganda po sila. So ito naman pong mga pullets na to ay Caroline Smith Gilmore hatch. So ang long-term objective po namin dito, kung sakaling maging maganda po yung resulta ng mga half and halves, the pullets will be bred back again to golden monkey sweaters to produce 3/4 sweaters and 1/4 Gilmore hats. So muli po, maraming po salamat for taking time to watch this video, and we'll see you again sa mga susunod pong episode. Maraming po salamat.